In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add HTML code to your website using Wix Editor X. Let's get started straight away and guide you through this process. Firstly, make your way to the Wix Editor X site and head over to the web page where you plan to add the HTML code. This action is straightforward and should be familiar to you if you've used Wix Editor X before. You want to start by selecting the Add Elements button, typically represented by a plus icon situated on the editor's left sidebar. Your next step is to head to the Embed Code section. This section can be found easily by looking through the options available in the Add Elements area. There, you'll be given choices. You can either choose to embed HTML to set down a small piece of HTML code, or you can choose to embed a site. Embedding a site allows you to showcase an external website within an iframe right on your web page. Pretty neat, right? Whichever option you decide to go with, you should then proceed to drag and drop the chosen element right to your web page. This drag and drop process is intuitive and user-friendly. Now, it's time to have your code or URL at hand. If you're opting for the Embed HTML route, simply select the HTML embed box that's now displayed on your page and click the Enter Code button. A prompt box will now appear, ready for you to paste your HTML code snippet directly into it. On the other hand, if you decided to embed a site, select the Site Embed box, click the Enter Website Address button, and paste the URL of the external site you wish to display. Having done that, your next move is to apply the changes and adjust the embedded element a little. To do so, just click the Apply or Update button and then proceed to resize and reposition the embed element right on your web page. You can simply drag its corners to adjust the size. If you're dealing with an embed code, remember you might need to tweak the width and height values right within the HTML code for optimal display. Experiment here to ensure it looks just right. Our final step is to publish all of this hard work. Only make this step once you are happy with the positioning and the overall look of your new embedded content. Once you click Publish, all these changes will go live on your site. This way, everyone visiting your website can see and interact with your newly embedded content. And there you have it, a walkthrough on how to add HTML code or embed a site using the popular Wix Editor X platform. A process that is both straightforward and enjoyable. Remember, a little practice goes a long way in making the process seamless and less time-consuming. So, go ahead and give it a try. Happy coding!